In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your email address on TickTick. Go ahead and click your profile picture in the upper left and go into the settings. From here on the account, you'll find your email address. Now, if you hover over email address, you find change email address. However, before you're able to change your email address, you'll have to set a password. So click on set password, enter the new password, and you'll be able to do it. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm going to create a password right here. Then click on save and the password is set. Now, if I want to change my email address, I can go ahead and hover over it, click change email address. Now I want to enter the new email. Let's say this would be it. I will send a verification code to the email or to my email right there. Once I get it, I'll be able to enter that verification code right here. And this is what a verification code would look like, something like this. And so you would just copy this specific code, enter it here, guys, and then you want to enter your password, the password that you enter or create, and then you will click OK, and that will allow you to change the email address on your TickTick account.